We're back.
Hi, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life. It's
What?
the holidays.
Yes.
And we have been so busy with family things, and we had an epic trip to the
California?
Magic Kingdom in California.
Actually, just the Magic Land. It's Disneyland. I think Magic Kingdom is the Disney World.
Oh, sorry, we just went to Disneyland, but it was epic.
It was epic.
Lots of rain. It
Lots
was fantastic.
of water. Not just on Splash Mountain.
Very fun.
It was awesome.
And so we haven't been doing a lot of styling videos. One thing that is taking up a ton of my time right now is
Felting.
When did we start felting?
2007.
So like 12 years ago?
Ooh.
Yeah.
If I can do math, and I can't.
I think that was 12 years ago.
Great.
So Cecilly started helping
I forget her name.
a woman who does some felting near us, and she came home and she showed us the projects, and because I love
Instantly.
to do anything,
Her mind was working.
so I came up with this nativity scene, and it is made of recycled sweaters. Everything we build out of recycled
wool.
materials, recycled wool and sweaters. And then it just kept growing. So it started off with this cute little nativity up here.
This size.
Yeah, so they used to be big. This is one of the kings. But every set is totally different because the sweaters, I mean, you know, there's only so much of each sweater.
Yeah.
And they've been really, really fun. But this year, I kind of branched out a little bit. I did,
You mean branched down?
are these the cutest, tiniest little things you've ever
I
seen?
wish I had a quarter to like show. Oh, I don't know. I guess our hands are showing.
They're so tiny. They're, some of them are less than, well, like the little sheep, he's less than an inch tall.
This is so cute.
And they've been so much fun to make. And so I sell them on the Etsy shop.
Did you say on the Etsy?
On the Etsy,
On
because
the
I'm
Etsy.
100 years old.
Sell them on the internet. On the Etsy.
On the internet. On the web.
On the World Wide Web.
Now, I did do a character that looks like a 50-year-old baby that
Alien.
has absolutely nothing to do with Disney.
Careful, guys. Copyright issues.
Yeah.
It looks like this alien creature.
But it's no longer available in Etsy. If you're interested, you could DM me. But we just wanted to kind of show you a little bit of what goes into making these. So one of the things that I think really makes these stand out is some of the little details. So Cecily, let's look at the gnomes, because they're super easy.
Well, here's the beginning of the gnome.
Here's a beginning gnome. He's got a...
Here's a finished gnome.
Oh, they're so cute. See, look, it's cute. We even stuff them with leftover sweater parts, but we wanted to show you how we're going to put a beard on this guy. So we use pieces of a sweater. Sometimes we also use some fresh fleece that we get from my sister's farm.
It's Angora, isn't it?
Lovely Ambition. It's Pygora, but
Pygora.
they've got Pygora goats,
Cute.
and so that's also fun for beards. But when we use and unravel a sweater like this, it makes the beard look really fun, and it's really easy to do. So we're just gonna take some of this guy like this, and our handy dandy felting tool. A felting needle is really sharp and really skinny, and it's got these little barbs along the shaft of the tool, and you literally just stab this guy and get the wool fibers to blend together, and that's what holds it together. And honestly, maybe the reason I like this is that you really get a lot of
Tension out.
aggression out.
Careful, thumb.
Here.
Thank you.
It does hurt when you stab yourself with this, so you do have to be really careful. But it's amazing to me how much detail you can get, and how, like, that's been one of the things that's fun about this character right here, because I've been able to get like some shaping. It's almost like sculpting as you come in and you work with an individual needle and work on details. So much fun. And while Cecily's working on that beard, I'm just going to show you one of our fun tricks. Blush! Who doesn't have pink blush sitting around? I like to give this guy a little bit of something inside his ears and then go a little lighter on the edge there. Just so cute. I just love him so much. Love him so much.
I haven't even seen the show.
There is no show. It has nothing to do with Disney.
I haven't even seen anything
Well,
like
you need
that.
to correct that. But it just gives a little bit of dimension, just adding a little bit of
It's like
of
when you
color.
add blush to your own face
yes.
and contour. It adds dimension.
Who knew?
Who would have thought?
On these little teeny tiny guys, I just add a little bit of a cheek, just to give it so that it doesn't look quite so flat. And it's been really interesting because I have some people who request faces and some who don't want faces at all. And I'm finding that there's a divide between younger people who don't want faces and people more in my age range.
Okay, boomer. Did I use that appropriately?
They like faces. So, I don't know.
Brody thought that was funny.
Yes, we do have an extra cameraman today to help us get some detailed shots. Brody, thank you. Fine job you're doing.
Welcome.
So, this is the felting process. One of the things
How
that...
would one get started doing something like this? If you wanted to felt...
There are some really great kits on Amazon where it'll give you the needles, it'll give you some roving, which is like if we took this apart and it's the raw like wool
Raw
that's
wool.
just colored. And they come with instructions and they're all under like $20. This is really not an expensive
It can be.
thing. It can be if you
Want it to be.
yeah, but if you want to start small, it's definitely something fun to try. And like I said, you can use old
Wool sweaters.
wool sweaters.
Make sure it's, what did you say it was? 50%
At
real
least
wool.
50% real wool. I like it works a million times better if you've got 100% wool.
Well, sure.
Especially like homemade sweaters and stuff. Those are the best because they're like really chunky. And what we do is we make the bodies. I wash them after the body is made and stuffed with extra wool parts. Throw it in the washer on hot. Let it tumble around in the dryer really good. And they come out and they just are a little more compact because they've shrunk down a little bit. And then we add all the accoutrements.
Accoutrement. That's probably not even...
He doesn't even need a hat, man. Look how cute he
I
is.
know, he's cutie. I think I want a ball on the top. Is that wrong?
No, that go with it.
Maybe I want a bow.
No.
No? Okay.
I don't know. I don't think a bow works.
You don't work. I'm so funny.
So here's a couple other of these guys. Look how cute he is big.
Or you could go little tiny small. Claire says little. Anytime something is little compared to like obviously something bigger. Little.
Oh, that's so funny.
Little ball.
And this might be one of my favorite projects. I made her a few years ago,
Oh,
and I
she's great.
still just absolutely love her. She's so fun. Oh, looks like Quincy Crafty Cat got into her and had a little fun with her hair. It looks like I just have to felt it back in there. Done.
TT done.
She's so cute.
On your shoulder.
I just love her little feet.
I'm gonna hurt myself. I just know it.
Then she'll scream. So, this is our fun project. What are your fun projects as we gear up for the holidays?
Do you make things? Do you buy things? Do you make and buy things.
What makes the holiday fun for you? So we have a family tradition on Christmas Eve, and it's a tradition that works wherever we are.
Oh yeah, I like this tradition. It's fun.
We take a candle and we light it, and we go outside and we sing Christmas carols
To the mountain.
to the sky,
To the
to the stars. And we know that wherever we are, there was a Christmas that my daughter was not able to come home. She was living in Florida. And it was really awesome because we knew that we were singing under the stars at the same time, no matter where we are. So that's a fun tradition.
I know.
Oh, it's so cute, Cecily. It turned out really cute. You have to show them.
Oh, it's so cute. I can't even get over it.
It's adorable.
Santa. I know him.
It's Santa.
Santa.
So we want to know what you like to do. And we also want to know if you have any styling questions that are, how are you going to be styling yourself for Christmas Day?
Pajamas, duh.
Yeah, giddy up. Something comfortable. I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah.
I'm hopefully building a Lego.
Ooh.
I might have to get that for myself.
You want a Lego for Christmas? Okay. Oh no, I got you the best gift ever. Oh my gosh. You're gonna love it. You're gonna do it all day long.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait!
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited.
I want to give it to her like right now. But
I'm more
I won't.
excited about Christmas now than I ever have been just this moment.
Woo! It is so good. I saw it and I was like, duh, my mom wants this.
It's going to have something to do with beading or like putting things in order or puzzle of some kind. You know I'm editing this, right?
I didn't say what it was.
All right. Well, we hope you have a happy holiday.
Maybe we'll see you one more time before the holiday.
We hope so. Thanks for watching.
We'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye.